Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. A home in bloom. Designing with Shabby Chic Floral Wallpaper. Step into a world where time stands still, and beauty is found in the softly worn and lovingly aged. The Shabby Chic aesthetic celebrates the charm of imperfection, weaving together comfort, romance, and a touch of nostalgic elegance. At the heart of this style lies a key element: floral wallpaper in washed-out lavender and creamy ivory. This palette evokes the gentle haze of an English garden at dawn, offering a sense of timeless serenity. Introducing this wallpaper into your home is not merely an act of decoration, but an invitation to a softer, more romantic way of living. It creates a canvas where heirlooms feel at home and every day feels quietly celebrated. Let this video inspire you to infuse every corner of your house with its delicate, dreamy charm. The enchanting story of your shabby chic home begins before you even step through the front door. Paint the exterior in a warm, creamy off-white to create a welcoming and soft backdrop for the garden's display. Allow climbing roses, clematis, and of course, billows of real lavender to scramble up walls and frame windows and the entryway. Weathered white-painted wooden benches and a slightly rusted ornate iron gate add to the feeling of established, carefree beauty. A cobblestone or gravel pathway, edged with fragrant herbs like thyme and rosemary, leads guests on a meandering journey. This approach transforms the property's exterior into a perfect, lived-in prelude to the delicate interiors that await within. Your entryway sets the tone for the entire home, offering a first glimpse of the serene palette within. Consider papering a single focal wall in the faded lavender and cream floral pattern to create an immediate sense of welcome without overwhelming the space. An antique, distressed wood console table in a chipped white or pale butter yellow finish provides a perfect surface for a simple ceramic vase of fresh garden flowers. Hang an ornate, gilded mirror with a slightly tarnished finish above the table to reflect light and enhance the feeling of airy spaciousness. Underfoot, a faded floral patterned runner in complementary hues adds a layer of texture and softness. This carefully curated space instantly tells guests they have entered a haven of gentle elegance and rustic charm. The living room is the heart of the home, and here the floral wallpaper can create a breathtaking, enveloping sense of calm. Paper all four walls to create a cozy, garden room effect, or use it on a single wall behind the sofa to establish a beautiful focal point. Upholster your main seating in creamy ivory linen or cotton, with throw pillows in buttery yellow and lavender to subtly pick up the wallpaper's accents. Incorporate furniture with curved lines and painted, distressed finishes, such as a coffee table with appealing paint reveal. Soften the room further with drapery made from sheer, floaty fabric in ivory, allowing natural light to filter through gently. Finally, accessorize with stacks of old books, crystal lamps, and porcelain vases to complete the collected, personal feel. Transform your bedroom into a dreamy, romantic retreat worthy of a country manor. Applying the lavender and cream wallpaper behind the bed frame creates a sumptuous and serene headboard effect that anchors the room. dress the bed in layers of texture, crisp white sheets, a heavy ivory matelass coverlet, and a delicate crocheted bedspread thrown across the foot. A vintage chandelier with crystal droplets casts a soft, shimmering light across the room, enhancing the romantic ambience. On the floor, a well-worn pastel-colored oriental rug adds warmth and a touch of understated pattern underfoot. The overall goal is to create a space that feels like a peaceful sanctuary, encouraging rest and sweet dreams. The dining room becomes an enchanting setting for intimate gatherings and family meals with the shabby chic touch. A feature wall of the floral wallpaper provides a beautiful backdrop for a rustic farmhouse-style table painted in creamy white. Surround the table with a mix of mismatched painted chairs, some in ivory, others in a buttery yellow, to enhance the collected over time aesthetic. Set the table with delicate china, etched crystal glassware, and linen napkins to reflect the room's elegant yet comfortable vibe. A central statement piece like a time-worn wooden dough bowl filled with hydrangeas and lavender serves as a perfect natural centerpiece. The soft glow from a candelabra or tiered crystal chandelier completes the atmosphere, making every dinner feel like a special occasion. Even the kitchen, often a space of hard surfaces, can be softened with hints of the shabby chic floral theme. Instead of full wallpaper, which may not be practical, use it to line the backs of open shelving or inside glass front cabinets for a delightful surprise. Paint cabinetry in a warm buttery yellow or creamy ivory, and fit them with vintage-style ceramic knobs for a touch of authenticity. Open shelves can display well-loved white pottery, mason jars, and stacks of floral pattern plates that echo the wallpaper's motif. Incorporate a rustic, butcher block countertop and a farmhouse sink to ground the space in functionality and charm. A small faded lavender rug in front of the sink adds a final splash of color and comfort underfoot. Carry the tranquil spa-like feeling of the shabby chic theme into the bathroom for a truly luxurious experience. Using moisture-resistant wallpaper, you can create a feature wall behind the bathtub or vanity, transforming the space into a petite, private garden. A freestanding clawfoot tub painted in a soft ivory or buttery yellow becomes the room's stunning centerpiece, inviting long, relaxing soaks. Furnish the room with a vanity made from a repurposed, distressed wooden table, topped with a marble or marble-look sink. Fluffy white towels and a weathered wooden ladder to hang them on continue the blend of comfort and rustic appeal. The final touch is a small crystal chandelier or candle sconces, which provide a soft, flattering light for the ultimate in pampering.